Hello, friends. In this video, we talk a little about the brain reward system. A rewarding stimulus is a science name for pleasure. Pleasure starts in the brain with the activation of nerve cells in the ventral tegmental area. We are sure because when we connect the cells in this area to electrical wires called electrodes and charge them with electrical current in experimental animals, we find these animals loving the experience. We know this because these animals will do anything to press a button that activates this current. It is true that this brain area is most often used in experiments, but a lot of other regions in the brain can be stimulated similarly to produce pleasure feelings in experimental animals. The pleasure feeling increases with the increase in the frequency of the activating current, as indicated by the animals pressing the button more frequently, loving the experience. It is also augmented by drugs like cocaine and nicotine, so the animals press the button less frequently as they need less pleasure from the current with the drugs as a substitute. This way, it is commonly thought that dopamine is needed to experience pleasure, which is not true. Mice, genetically engineered to lack dopamine, still enjoy sucrose. And it is also worth noting that dopamine is released only when the reward exceeds the expectation of the animal. Here, by a reward, I mean something like food or any enjoyable stimulus. This means that if the enjoyable stimulus is not surprising, dopamine is not released. Scientists phrase this as a prediction error signal, with dopamine representing this signal.